2024 Toyota Land Cruiser, a return to rugged roots. Amid the evolving automotive landscape, a legend re-emerges. Rekindling its steadfast origins, the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser returns to the North American scene, yet this time, with an off-road, rugged emphasis rather than luxuriant opulence. The story of its American advent in 1958, evolving from the legendary 40 series to the fully loaded 200 series, echoes in its DNA. This time, however, it emerges at a more accessible price point, promising an expanded user base. Let's dive into the transformation. 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser, US spec, front 3/4. Built for off-road adventures. The 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser takes shape on the TNGAF global truck platform. Under the hood, it brandishes the range-topping iForce Max hybrid powertrain, delivering a healthy 326 horsepower and 465 pound-ft of torque. The new model has shed some size, standing narrower and shorter than its 200 series predecessor, promising agility on off-road trails. Indeed, Toyota's decision to make the Land Cruiser a high-quality off-roader at an accessible price point opens up more opportunities for adventurous drivers. Limited to 5,000 units for the initial production phase, the Land Cruiser will sport a first edition grade that features two new two-tone paint options and added off-road gear. Design heritage and modern engineering. The Land Cruiser pays homage to its rich history. The new model harkens back to its rugged beginnings while integrating modern engineering advancements. The new ladder frame in the TNGAF body-on-frame platform offers superior rigidity with high-strength steel, blanking, and laser welds. Meanwhile, the design team's focus on authenticity, reliability, timeless charm, and professionalism permeates through its form and function. Signature touches like the 1958 grade's iconic round LED headlights and Toyota Heritage grille or the modern Land Cruiser slim, rectangular headlights reminisce the FJ62 series. The new Land Cruiser's double wishbone front suspension with twin-tube shocks and a multi-link rear suspension with coil springs, as well as its electric power steering, make it a formidable contender in today's off-road vehicle market. 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser, US spec, 1958 rear 3/4. A hybrid powerhouse. The Land Cruiser's iForce Max hybrid powertrain is a central feature, bringing a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine into a marriage with a 48-horsepower electric motor. The resulting system dishes out a considerable 326 horsepower and 465 pound-ft of torque. The vehicle also includes a full-time four-wheel drive system with a center-locking differential and an electronically controlled two-speed transfer case, enhancing off-road capabilities. Off-road performance. The new generation Land Cruiser's off-road capabilities are impressive. With a front stabilizer bar disconnect, impressive approach and departure angles, and 8.7 inches of ground clearance, it certainly is a vehicle that can conquer various terrains. Additionally, it features off-road tech like multi-terrain select and crawl control, allowing drivers to adapt to varying conditions with ease. 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser, US spec, interior. Connectivity and comfort. Despite its rugged design, the Land Cruiser doesn't compromise on connectivity and comfort. It comfortably seats 5, with the 1958 models featuring black fabric seats and an 8.0-inch touchscreen supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. The higher-end Land Cruiser grade sports heated and ventilated Softex trim seats and a 12.3-inch multimedia monitor, which can turn the vehicle into an AT&T hotspot. Safety at its core. The 2024 Land Cruiser doesn't falter on safety. All models come standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, an impressive suite of active safety and convenience systems. With features like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, and full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, it promises to be a safe companion for all kinds of adventures. 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser, US spec, 1958 front 3/4. Painting the future with pastels of the past. Once dismissed, the Toyota Land Cruiser's return to the North American market symbolizes a renaissance of its enduring legacy. Its off-road focus and adherence to its origins remind us of the Land Cruiser's roots. With an approachable price point, Toyota broadens the horizons for a more significant consumer base. The 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser has returned, not in opulence, but in an authenticity reminiscent of its heritage, and it's ready to conquer new territories.